up, guys? Check it out, 2024 Blue Collar Tour. We are here in Dumas, Texas. I've been waiting for a long time to check this school out. Ever since they won our welding competition last year in the high school, they took second and third. Let's get this party started. Let's go weld with the boys and girls here in Dumas, Texas.
This is my 23rd year at Dumas High School, and I taught 3 years before here. It was construction trades and in wood shop, so pretty much I've advocate my whole life. My granddad welded for a living, big heavy equipment, D10, D11 cats, doing things like that, and my dad, he welded and taught me how to weld, and it's pretty been a lifelong deal. And I got numerous students that's impacted by the trades, so they come from a family that they're scraping to get by, and they learn to weld, and they go out there in the welding community, and they jump out of high school and start making $30, $35 an hour being able to weld, and now they're the big income winner in their family. They're making more money than their mom and dad combined. There's such a sense of accomplishment by doing something with your own hands and realizing that you created it. There's no other feeling like that. The opportunities to travel wherever you want to go and be able to make a living, a good living doing it. No, it's not just welding. You got heat and air. It doesn't matter good economy, bad economy. Everybody wants to be warm, they want to be cool. Electricians, you got to have electricity to have your fridge, to have your stove, to have the heat and air. Plumbing, you need a plumber to have water and flush the toilet. Nobody wants their toilet not to flush. Any of the trades is a huge, huge thing. Without any trades, our country ain't going nowhere. Our country's done. You just got to decide what you like to do and then go after it. And go after it hard. Want it, have a passion for it. Want to be successful at it. Wake up every day and go, I want to be better today than I was yesterday. And tomorrow, I want to be better tomorrow than I am today.
Blue Collar Tour!
One of the biggest national security threats that our country faces today is the lack of a blue-collar workforce.
I want everybody to give a round of applause for Mr. Sowers, huh? You guys gotta look up to this man. You have an incredible program. He's a fantastic person, and he's working really hard to help better the next generation. So thank you very much, Mr. Sauer. We appreciate you letting us come out here. It's been a pleasure to work with you guys.
You are the heart and the soul of this town, and you are also the heart and soul of this great nation. You are the future generation. You are powerful. Never forget that. Never forget the opportunities that face you. With that, I want to say thank you to Dumas High School. Thanks for having us out here today.
So get out there, learn a trade, do something cool, build something with your hands. Don't let college be your only option. Don't be afraid to try something new, and get out there and learn, all right? So let's give it up. Blue Collar Tour 2024! Woo!
Whoa, Dumas, Texas, you guys flat threw down today. This was absolutely incredible. We got to come out here and meet Mr. Chuck Sauer, the welding teacher. That guy blows my mind. The level of passion that he puts into this program here in Dumas, like all thumbs. Let me tell you what, this was absolutely incredible. We are gonna roll this bandwagon up, and we are gonna head on to Hooker, Oklahoma, 2024 Blue Collar Tour. Let's get it rolling.
Let's do it!